Hunter, can you defend Lighthouse, alright? And I'll rogue you ink base straight away.
Sorry.
Yeah, our Hunter, you're gonna defend against their what's they call it? Their rogue basically, because they've got a rogue.
Are you leaving me alone?
Who?
Okay.
Yeah, we're gonna leave the Hunter alone defending Lighthouse. Basically, rogue, you're gonna ink base at mines, and the rest of us we're going to waterworks.
Remember your pit if you're defending.
Okay. At waterworks, can we kill their chamois first? And then their boomkin. Lawmaker, can you root them?
Yeah.
Yeah, try and root them, and I'll try and think.
Do your fast cap thing, get the boots. Oh, I'm trying to go in and stun and play demon. Start a fight on the other side of the river.
You do that. Everybody knows what to do. Everybody does
People who are looking up, please say where the warrior tank is going. So if he knows he's defending or not and what the rogue is doing. Because if you don't see the rogue and the warrior is defending, it's very likely that the rogue is going Lighthouse.
Yeah. Okay, rogue looks like it's going Lighthouse.
Yeah, the tank is capping for sure.
I think that Boomy was going Lighthouse as well.
You want me to stay and help?
Hunter, can you use bloodlet? I don't know if you got the cut out.
You can use generator PC.
Yes, you can.
And you can.
I am in a fight.
You're in the fight?
Yeah, they're fighting me and they took me. Yeah. I am top. Yeah.
You need help?
Yeah.
Okay, yeah.
I'll go.
Okay, thank you. Okay, go for priest in middle. Juju man. Man to go. Ninja Cafe.
Bitter immunity.
Stay on Juju man. Staying on Juju man.
Hunter, you could have lost your body, by the way.
Ninja capping again. Staying on Juju man.
So go for the druid. I'm about to rest.
Dead.
Yeah. Start capping. I'll PC the rope.
Juju man to die. In Medeb. Tinkling from Medeb, whatever his name is. Going back on Juju man.
We're getting 50 gargoyles. Can we pull targets in the waterwork?
Go Woolwork. Go for
Yeah,
Juju man.
we got lighthouse back.
Juju man.
Yeah, I'm gonna stay here with them on that.
Okay, then you do that.
Do we need a heal to get him at Lighthouse?
No.
Freedom. Jack knife.
need help. I need help.
Shadow dance.
They're back.
Yeah, I'm gonna clone the druid and then we kill this rogue, okay?
Yeah.
Cheap shot. Cheap shot.
Guys, I'm the only here at Waterworks and they are trying to CC me hard.
Hang on, Juju man.
Freedom.
Okay, it's okay now. Demon Hunter only.
Infusion down. Shadow
Good job.
Thanks, Boom.
I'm sorry about that.
Back on Waterworks.
Don't stand up right on the flag, my friend. That's like back.
Okay, I can't spin anymore. Rogue, you have to do something really special over there, man.
What?
You able to take the flag? If you can't, come and help at war. Spin a little bit longer, please. We're reinforcing it. Demon Hunter's gonna die soon. See if you can spin it, help give him some HP.
Last stand. Trinket. Berserker range. Spell. Sprint. Grounding. Divine Throne. Avenging Wrath. Metabolic Rage. Second wind. Psychic Scream. Strange.
One is going for like.
Yeah.
You got two there already.
Oh yeah, I think they're sending another one. Okay, we got a healer here. Let's stay here with us.
Counters. Infusion down. Scream. Walk down.
They were dying. Their civilization was in
Right
decline.
here. In the middle. Pinky, what his name is.
War down. Serenity.
All the healers except that this priestess, more or less boom on Waterworks.
Fine.
Holy light.
Yeah, kill the priest, guys. Get the priest. I'm gonna fear.
Trinketed. Psychic Scream.
Nice
We
video.
have a rogue and druid are back for light help.
Windwalker, come back. No, fuck, I turned around for a second.
Shadow dance. Evasion.
What happens when you never mind.
We'll get it back.
Sprint. Trinketed.
And the priest is trying to fill off the lighthouse, gonna try and delay.
Yeah, clone.
Shadow dance.
Okay, our delivery is high.
Green down. Clearance down. Skin. Shadow down. Shadow down. Cyclone. Inhalation. Blur down.
Start capping everybody.
We need help on Waterworks, guys.
Avenging Wrath. Green light.
We're not doing any progress.
Trinket. Darkness. Protection down. Ward down. Purge. Glimpse. Grounding.
Defend. You got a roll there that can defend quite well.
Blur down.
Yeah, this priest is peeling up from Waterworks and staying to spin.
Vanish. Sprint.
I clone Rogue, just cap.
Capping.
Holy Trinity. Guardian Spirit. Desperate Prayer. Shadowy Dew. Cheap Shot.
Demon Hunter is fine, guys. Demon Hunter.
Shadow Dance.
Okay, you two defend here, please.
Yeah. There's a healer here now, actually.
I'm gonna join you. Healers here.
We have incomings. We have a paladin incoming.
Holy Sprint.
Oh, from paladin.
We have two healers here at Lighthouse.
Okay, wipe them out, Warworks, then if you've got two healers here.
Yeah, everything is leaving me. They are all going lighthouse right now.
Okay, follow them and have this rogue and the priest, shadow priest defending Warworks.
Psychic Scream. Shadow Fiend.
Rogue is there.
Trinket. Avenging Wrath. Shadow Dance. Evasion. Step. Good heal. Yeah. Cheap Shot.
We need more people. White help.
No, we're down.
Double down.
Okay.
have the people running.
Yeah, don't all leave waterworks.
At least three stay waterworks. 3 people stay waterworks.
Free healer, you stay waterworks too, man.
Hey,
Okay,
stay
man.
waterworks.
Okay, man.
Infusion down.
Okay.
Radiation. Power infusion in. Wild charge.
Go for the demon hunter. Stand back on 3.
From the other one.
Stand 3. He's to 5. Stunning him.
I've given a raise to the Windwalker or what?
You see the other priest? You get a kill on this priest.
Yeah, I can see the guy who just came in.
Nice work on priest. Kill off priest. This priest.
Call it if you have more than 4 people at waterworks.
Stun on this priest.
We have 4 now. 5.
Nice work. This priest kill last priest and then kill demon hunter.
Ready.
Start rotating.
Alive. Spin the flag. You can be there in 10 seconds.
With the broken guys. Am I alone here? I'm alone here. What the fuck?
Bro, why don't you come down?
I died.
Can you let me rotate now?
Yeah, can Rogan, Boomy, can you stay at Lighthouse? The rest of you go to, Waterworks.
Yeah, good.
We have one of the holy priests and this priest connecting now on the streets.
That's fine. Top of Red Pally 5. Red Pally down, top of Shami.
Broken out the free.
He doesn't have Sharpen Blade on him yet. Shami go die now.
Hearing.
Boomy and Rogue is probably gonna try Lighthouse again. Is another person?
No, we're fine. We got 2.
Okay, just so I know. They're probably coming again.
Shami.
Yeah, they're both coming.
Go for Demon Hunter, lick it.
If you think you might lose the fight.
Drink then.
Then we just get the wall of teleport with the drink.
Go for Naji, get this tree. Switch, Jujuman.
I'll get the rogue.
They also got the melee coming.
Oh yeah, we have 3 here at Lighthouse? We need a healer.
Can one healer peel off, please?
I'm running as well.
Oh, yeah.
They have 4 at Lighthouse.
You got Demon Hunter coming, you got a healer coming.
I'm walking in my body. Maybe I get it. Oh, nice.
Got the mic. I don't know if it's okay.
I got it.
Nice.
We win with 1 base.
I am roaming back.
Okay, you got all peel off now. Me, Warlock, and 1 healer. Chain Ward, you stay here with me. The rest of you could go.
Thorns down. Vengeance shield. Precognition down. Rapture. Big heal. Vengeance shield down. Wild charge. Trinketed. Word area.
4 targets at Lighthouse, please.
Get on the D8. I'll phone my CR, but...
Infusion down.
We're in 1 base, but it's good to know.
GG guys.
Nice one. We lost Lighthouse by twice. Twice? Did you fight it back?
think we counter-capped them once, we only completely lost.
Yeah, we only lost her once.
Yeah, but it got assaulted like two times.